Discovered a CMU file from academic computer graphics research. These are image files from the Carnegie Mellon University graphics format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Carnegie Mellon University image files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for CMU file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. CMU files are image files using the Carnegie Mellon University image format developed for computer graphics research and educational purposes. They contain bitmap image data along with header information used historically in academic computer graphics work and research publications associated with CMU's graphics research community. CMU files use a specific binary format with header bytes specifying image dimensions and color depth, followed by raw bitmap pixel data. The format follows simple structured layout typical of research image formats supporting various color depths and image sizes for academic graphics processing applications. Most installations default to associating ImageMagick from ImageMagick Studio with CMU. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows handles many of these files natively, but complex edits require specialized image editors. Open the menu by right-clicking your CMU file and choosing Open With. Test ImageMagick if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the CMU file differently. If the CMU file is still refusing to open, it's expected. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, converting with ImageMagick. Use ImageMagick to convert CMU files to modern formats by running convertimage.cmuimage.png from the command line. ImageMagick supports many academic and historical image formats, including CMU enabling conversion to widely compatible formats like PNG, JPEG, or TIFF for modern use. Next, opening in XnView. Try opening CMU files in XnView MP, which provides broad format support including many academic and research image formats. The application's extensive codec library may successfully decode CMU files, enabling viewing and conversion without requiring specialized academic software environments. Finally, inspecting file headers. Open CMU files in HXD hex editor to examine the binary header and identify image parameters like dimensions and color depth. This technical inspection helps understand the file structure, useful for manual decoding or troubleshooting when standard image tools fail to process the file properly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.